The new friend. In a small town, there was a girl named Lily. She was shy and liked to read books. Every day after school, she went to the library to read. One sunny day, as Lily was reading, a new girl entered the library. Her name was Anna. Anna looked around and smiled at Lily. Lily smiled back but felt a little nervous. Anna walked over to Lily and said, "What book are you reading?" Lily looked down at her book and replied, "It's a story about a princess." "That sounds interesting. I love stories about princesses," Anna said, smiling. Lily laughed softly, feeling happy. Then she asked, "Do you want to read it together?" Anna nodded, and they sat side by side. As they read, they talked about their favorite stories. Lily liked adventures, while Anna loved fairy tales. They laughed and shared their ideas about the characters. After a while, Lily said, "Would you like to come to my house after school tomorrow? We can read more books." Anna's eyes lit up. "Yes, I would love that," she replied. The next day, Anna came to Lily's house. They spent the afternoon reading and playing games. They even created their own story about two brave knights. As the sun began to set, Anna looked at Lily and said, "I'm so happy we met. You are a good friend." Lily smiled and replied, "Me too. I'm glad we are friends now." From that day on, Lily and Anna became best friends. They went to the library together, shared books, and had many fun adventures. Lily learned that making new friends can be easy and exciting, especially when you share what you love. I've prepared a few questions, and I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the answer. Then, I'll give you the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Where did Lily usually go after school? A. To her friend's house. B. To the library. C. To the park. Question 2. What kind of book was Lily reading when she met Anna? A. A story about a princess. B. A book about animals. C. A mystery story. Question 3. What type of stories did Anna enjoy? A. Adventure stories. B. Fairy tales. C. Science fiction stories. Question 4. What did Lily and Anna do the next day at Lily's house? A. Watched a movie. B. Created their own story. C. Painted pictures. Question 5. What did Lily learn about making new friends? A. It can be fun and easy. B. It is very difficult. C. It's better to be alone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.